Welcome back to my channel everyone. Today's tutorial is part 2 of how to create a snow globe. In particular, I'll be showing you how to add animation to make snowfall. If you haven't watched part 1, head over to that video first so everything I talk about makes sense to you. So jumping straight into the tutorial, I'm going to unlink the thumbnail and layer mask together. Then select the layer thumbnail and duplicate it 3 times by pressing Ctrl and J. Then one by one I am going to rotate each of the layers. I'll show you how it's done. So selecting the top thumbnail layer, activate free transform tool by pressing Ctrl and T, then rotate the image clockwise like so. Then once done, click the confirmation mark. Then going on to the layer below, I'm going to do the same by activating free transform tool but rotating the image anti-clockwise. Then for the third duplicate layer, activate free transform tool and rotate it at a straight angle just like this. Moving on, I'm going to select the original layer and click on the Windows timeline. Just a little side note, if your Photoshop is CS6, then the process for this bit will be the same, otherwise other versions may differ. Now because I have 4 layers of the same thumbnail, I need to create 4 frames by clicking here. Then make sure that it is on forever. If it's not, change it and then change the frame time to 1 second. Now all I have to do is select frame 1 and the original layer, which is layer 6, and hide the other layers by pressing the eye icon. Similarly, for the second frame, hide the original layer but keep the second duplicate layer visible. Then for the third frame, only keep the third duplicate layer visible, and also with the fourth frame only keep the fourth duplicate layer visible. Now I can play the animation and test it to see how the snowfall looks. Once you are happy with how your animation is looking, save your work. So to save, go to File, Save for Web, then change the format to GIF. If it already isn't, browse to choose your location, then click Save. So that is the end of this simple animation tutorial. I hope that you have learned something new today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you again soon.